Hello, this is Abela David. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show us how to use the sum product and the find functions to sum case-sensitive values. Let's get started. Now, this is our sample data formatted in an Excel table. So in the names, we have some names in uppercase and we have some in lowercase. So these are the corresponding sales amounts. So based on the case sensitivity of each names, we want to sum the total sales. Okay, let's start. Now I'm going to start by typing in F2 equal sign, then use my find function. Now the find returns the starting position of one text string within another text string, and it is case sensitive. So press my tab key. Now there are two mandatory arguments to supply, which are find text and within text. So I want to find this value in cell A2, which is our criteria, then comma. So within this text, okay. Now this syntax is peculiar to structured referencing in tables in Excel. Then I close my find formula. Let's evaluate what's going to deliver. Press F9. Boom, it delivered one value errors, one, and so on and so forth. Now we need to actually trap and undo all these our value errors inherent in our formula. So I'm going to press Ctrl Z. So right after the equal sign, I'm going to deploy the if error. So this is going to be my value for the if error argument. Now if indeed there's an error, I want to return 0. So close my if error. Let's evaluate. F9. Boom. So we have 1 zeros, 1 zeros. Okay, so all those value errors has been replaced with zeros, which makes sense. Now Ctrl Z. Right after the equal sign again, deploy the sum product. Now the sum product returns the sum of the products of corresponding ranges or arrays. So press my tab key. Now we can actually do a single array or array 1 and 2. So in this case, I'm going to just do array 1 and 2. So for my array 1, I'm going to select the sales amount, then put in a comma. So all I need to do is to close my sum product. So let's just evaluate and see what it's going to deliver. F9. Now it's going to deliver 398,909. So press Ctrl Z, then Ctrl Enter. Then we can autofill to send the formula down. So easy. Now we can actually see that the name with uppercase Abela David, the total sales is 398,909. So let's check the uppercase. This is the first one. So I'm going to hold my Control key. This is the second one and the third one. So let's check the status bar. Now in the status bar, we have 398,909, which is exactly what we achieve here. That is correct. So let's just use Margaret in lowercase to check. Now the sales amount is 499,001. So let's check. This is the first one, second one, and the third. So in the status bar, we have 499,135. That is accurate. So this is essentially how we use the sum product and the find functions based on the case sensitivity that the find functions has to sum case sensitive values. I believe you've learned something new. If you have and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and give some likes. Thank you and bye for now.